So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to see today's weather from Google. So let's get started. Now see, this is the home page of your Google account and you can simply see the option of moon available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then see, you can simply see the today's weather according to your location, or even you can search it from the search bar, which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.